What would Kanye West's music sound like if he never sampled anything? I don't know, and we will never know, because sampling is such an intrinsic and integral part of Kanye's sound that he plays the sampler like it's its own musical instrument. Ye has been among my favourite rappers for years now, and I was listening to his music the other day and got to thinking, what would it sound like if you made beats inspired by Kanye without using any samples? So, I set myself a challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make beats inspired by Kanye West without using any samples. That's right, I'm making every single element in this beat by myself from scratch. I'm going to show you how to create amazing string sections, vibrant old school style drum breaks from scratch, and then get into one of Kanye's favourite things, which is sampling his own voice and making some magic with that. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Another episode of Cooking with AJ. Let's go. Bum, 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 bum. Right, first step to making Kanye beat with no samples. Guess we gotta set a tempo. 85. I've got this idea in my head that I want to do like a chant, like he does sort of on Power, and he does it on loads of other songs. It's like a real Kanye thing. So I want to do a chant, but my problem is I want to then speed up the chant probably because, you know, Chipmunk Soul, Kanye's thing that he invented, is sped up and I'll pitch it up a bit. But I want to get some drums and stuff down to influence the chant. Ooh. Okay, no, what if I start at 85 or even 80, program like something that sounds live, like a drum break kind of vibe, do the chant over that, speed them up, and then start building out the production from there. Oh, yes. Yes, that is an excellent idea. Okay, yeah, this can be accented with some samples really well. Gonna keep it super simple and go in with some crazy ghost notes and all sorts of weird-ish afterwards, but let's play something in for now. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that actually. I'm liking it. Okay, but this snare here, you see this? Needs to be earlier. I want that to be a little bit more of a rushed feeling. Yeah, that's the feeling we're going for. Oh yeah, that's feeling Kanye-ish already, you know. You know it's time for the hi-hats. This is going to be where we get some grooving. That was quite messy, but also good, maybe? Yeah, this will work with different hits in some of the places. This will definitely work. That is nothing, or that is an open hat, maybe? Oh, yeah. Okay, we got our basic hats in. I say basic, they're fairly complicated, but now all the velocities are the same. I'm going to keep the 1, 2, 3, 4 beats strong. The 16ths are going to go way down. The 8ths are going to go a little down, and we should be grooving. So I'm going to do that and show you what it sounds like. Okay, we got on well with our live sounding drums. Okay, I just grabbed some sounds from my Oasis drum kit. Kick, little snare here. So, layered those into the main break. They sound like this. Without them. And with. Gives that more Kanye-ish sound to the snare, and it really beefs out the kick. So, I'm stoked on that. I'm going to beef these drums up a little bit because they're not sounding like sampled enough to me right now. I want them to sound like a break that I've taken from a record, you know? So we're going to get some... Let's try out some compression on these bad boys. I'm grabbing a distressor, which I've been messing with recently, and I do like it on drums, so we're going to do that. Okay, that's sounding really good, that distressor there. Now, we're going to go for some needlepoint, because like I said, I want this to be sample sounding. Okay, without this needlepoint, we've got this. It's cool, but with it... Yes. Now, the last thing to make this sound more like a sample, we'll put some EQ on it and just filter out some highs. Not too much, not too much. Oh yeah, okay, that's cool, that's cool. Right. We got these drums in, and now I want to do a chant, but in order to make it so I'm actually singing in a key, I'm gonna play some chords in, which we might not use, but placeholder chords. We'll just play it in on like a pad or something to get a basic vibe. Or, ooh, what if we play them in on strings, and then we use the strings later as like part of the sample? Oh, yes, why did I not think of that before? Amazing. Okay, let's do strings, let's do strings. Okay, simple chords there. Let's just record those as a placeholder, then build them out using individual strings to do all the different voices, and then we should be good. Cool. Okay, we got this basic strings thing. Now let's do each individual voice as if it's actually being played by like a quartet or something, and it should fit pretty nice. Bass first. Okay. We did that well. That was nice. Next layer in. Let's get a cello. Played some really nice stuff in that, but maybe not the end. I just think that needs to be a bit earlier, really. Maybe to the G. Oh yeah, that's nice. Next up, let's get a viola in. I want that to be doing maybe like a more staccato-ish kind of thing. Okay, violin time. Stuff we've all been waiting for. Alright, let's see if we can get something cool in with this violin. Now let's get another violin doing like a contrary motion kind of thing going upwards. That could be a vibe. Oh, okay, that is tasty. That is tasty violins. What if we copy that line to like a cello as well, maybe? Let's build these up from the start. We've got these basic strings. adding in this bass. Oh, this is so cool. Adding in a cello. Let's get some violins in there. More violins. Get the last cello in. Okay, I'm gonna take away those two and stick with these. I think this is sounding a little too like cinema-y, film score-y, so let's take that down to being like this maybe. Ooh, that's hard. There we go. Oh, these strings are crazy. I only made these, I just made these as like a placeholder so I can do the chant, but they actually sound crazy. Okay, I think I want to speed it up and pitch it and then do the chant, because nothing's really coming to my head right now. I'm going to bounce these both out as stems and then re-import them into the project so we can speed it up easily. Right, now, what happens if we just up the tempo to like 105? Maybe a little fast, 101. And then if we just pitch these up by like 3. Now we're getting into Kanye territory. So it goes up 5. Feels like 98. It needs a chant, like a big synth lead, and a dirty bass, and I think it'll be good. But I'm gonna do I'm hearing a bass on there really, really clearly in my head, so I'm gonna do that now. You already know we're gonna be using the Prophet for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hell yes. Yes. That is absolutely crazy. Just literally vibing to this. This is crazy. Let me try and think of something for the chant, because I have nothing in my head right now, but let's see if I can come up with anything any good. Got to stand up to get more vibe, but let's see if we can get a chant in. I want the money and power. I want the money and power. I want the money and power. I seek the truth and the power. I seek the truth and the power. Truth. Okay, we recorded I believe the term is fuck ton of vocals. And yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, I've finished sorting through all those vocals I just recorded like 10 minutes ago, and basically just picked out the good parts, and it turned into a lot of tracks you can see here. Anyway, sorted it all through, done some processing on it, and let me tell you, we are cooking. This beat is crazy. Seriously, crazy. So I was going to add a synth lead to this, but I literally don't think it needs anything else. It just needs to be played loud, and you just got to let it ride. Someone needs to come to this with some crazy flow. I mean, where is Kanye right now? Can he come down to the studio? Anyway, let's listen to the final beat. This is about to go crazy. Come on. Oh my God.